Yes. Okay, let's start the activity. I think you only going to be the part of the activity for today now. Okay, so basically हमने tarot cards बनाए हैं, right? We are performing the activity between fortune teller and the querent. Who is fortune teller? The one who predicts your future through the with the help of the tarot cards, okay, which you already made. And who is the querent? The person who reach out to these people who reach out to these fortune tellers and to in the curiosity to know about their future. Okay, सो हम क्या करेंगे, वन बाय वन एक एक बच्चा, क्योंकि सबके पास टैरेट कार्ड्स है, सबने टैरेट कार्ड्स बनाए हैं, एक एक बच्चा वन बाय वन विल बिकम अ फॉर्च्यून टेलर एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल विल बी द क्यूरेंट. They will reach out to that person, just like Anant is a fortune teller for now. So I will reach out to him ki, hey sorry, not Aditya, hello sir, I'm very curious to know about my future because nothing is going well right now. Can you please tell me something about my future? Then he will say, yes, I can. Let me see what is in your future or what is coming in your way. Then he will take one or two time and then he pick one of the tarot card, a random tarot card, and he will read whatever he has written on that. That will be my future for whatever some particular time. Okay. दिस इज अ स्मॉल एक्टिविटी विच यू आर प्लानिंग एंड इसमें कुछ आपको सोचना नहीं है, जो आपके मन में आता है वो आप उससे पूछ सकते हो एंड ही विल टेल यू और प्रिडिक्ट योर फ्यूचर. ठीक है, तो वन बाय वन सब बच्चे एक एक करके फॉर्च्यून टेलर बनेंगे एंड बाकी सब क्वेरेंट होंगे. विल इट वर्क फॉर एवरीवन?
मैम हमें कैमरा भी ऑन करना है.
यस, दैट्स हाउ यू गोइंग टू इंटरेक्ट विद ईच अदर ना. ओके
ओके मैम.
तो फर्स्ट आप अपने वीडियोस ऑन कर लो.
Ma'am, do we have to write our future also in the tarot cards?
About what?
Means like we have wrote for others, so we do have to write for ourselves also.
For who? For friends? I don't get.
No. जैसे मुझे अपने लिए भी लिखना है.
No. You don't need to predict anything about your own self. Fortune tellers are not allowed to tell anything about themselves only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम तो आपने कल तो 4 कार्ड्स बनवाए थे ना.
Yes. So 4 के according Manoj, Rutuja, Anant, just like Aditya we fortune teller. So Anant, Rutuja, Manoj and Utkarsh, 4 people will be there. No? Okay. So first of all, कौन fortune teller बन रहा है? Aditya? No.
No, ma'am. No.
Okay. So Rutuja, can you be the first fortune teller for us? ऋतुजा चलो तुमसे बनेंगे फॉर्च्यून टेलर.
मतलब मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि कैसे करें.
हाँ मैं बता देती हूँ, कोई नहीं, डरने की थोड़ी ना बात है इसमें. एक्टिविटी तो एक इट्स अ फन एक्टिविटी ओनली, इससे तुम्हें कुछ सीखने को ही मिलेगा. ओके, जस्ट लाइक आई एम टेकिंग द प्लेस ऑफ उत्कर्ष फॉर नाउ, ठीक है, बिकॉज आई एम हैविंग हिज टैरेट कार्ड्स, सो आई विल बी प्लेइंग दिस गेम ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ उत्कर्ष. ओके
ओके मैम.
So just like me, I am Utkarsh here. I am coming to you. You are a fortune teller right now. I am a querent. Are you prepared, Rituja?
क्या मैम?
Are you prepared now? You are a fortune teller and I'm a querent. Okay. I'm here to know about my future. So I'll be like, hello, ma'am. I'm very curious to know about my future. What will be my future?
In 2035 you will be married and you will slave your wife.
You can just say I predict the powers are saying that you will be married by this particular year. Just make it more fun and more realistic for everyone. No? Don't make it like a debate. Okay?
Okay ma'am. Okay
Just
ma'am.
make it more fun and more interesting for everyone. Just get into that character.
Okay ma'am.
You need to win that character. That right now you are not Rutuja, but you are a fortune teller. Okay?
Okay ma'am. Ma'am.
Can we just repeat this once again?
मैम एक बार रिपीट बता दीजिए मुझे.
Yes. ओके, मैं उत्कर्ष के बिहाफ से उसके टैरेट कार्ड्स पढ़ूंगी, जो भी उसने तुम सबके लिए लिखा है. फाइन, पहले मेरे से स्टार्ट करते हैं. आई विल बी द फॉर्च्यून टेलर, यू आर द क्वेरेंट्स. please join one by one. Okay, so let's start with Rutuja or Anand. Okay, so think that you are coming to me to know about your future, and I'll supposed to tell you about your future on behalf of Utkarsh. Okay, so let's start with Rutuja. Ask me
Okay.
question. What do you know about? What do you want to know about your future?
Uh,
Ask me a
mm,
question, a normal question. I want to know about my
okay.
future. Yes.
What is my ma'am? What is my future?
Hello, ma'am. I just
Hello, ma'am.
want to know about my future. Be variant, no? Be expressive with your words. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So,
Hi,
again.
ma'am.
Okay.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, what I know I'm very curious for knowing my future. What is my future?
Okay, Rutuja. I can see your future coming in, going on a very right path. I think by 2045 you will be the boss of a very known company. I hope this will help you to align yourself that way. Say thank you for that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Rutuja. Next, yes, Anand.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to know about my future.
What you want to know about your future?
That how will I become? What will I become?
Okay, so according to the cards, what I have seen in the future is that by 2054 you will be a chief minister of some place. I can't tell you the exact place, but you will become there are chances that you will become a chief minister of some particular place.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for telling my future.
Yes, thank you.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Aditya, and can you tell about my future? I am very curious to know about it.
Oh, hi Aditya. Okay, let me see what's in the cards for you. So, I can see that the alignment of the uh, planet says that by 2049 you will become a big businessman. I hope that this will work for you. Best of luck.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, got it? समझ में आ गया सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके अब ये तुम अपने बीच में परफॉर्म करो बिकॉज मैंने उत्कर्ष की एक्टिविटी कर दी है अपने एंड से ठीक है रेस्ट तुम लोग अब एक दूसरे में परफॉर्म कर सकते हो एक्टिविटी आई एम आउट फ्रॉम दिस मेरे को एक समझाना था ठीक है सो वन बाय वन फॉर्चून टेलर बनो और वन बाय वन सब कोहेरेंट्स बनो ठीक है वीडियोस ऑन कर लो सो दैट दैट बी मोर इंटरेक्टिव फॉर बिटवीन यू ऑल ओके
Hey, Rutuja. Hi, ma'am. Can you tell about my future? I am very curious about it.
Hi, Aditya. In 2050, you will live in moon.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. I want to know about my future. What will I become?
Mm, in 2055, you will in love and you will be married.
Okay, Rituja, sorry to interrupt you, but as you are reading the cards, these are the cards which are aligned by the planets. You know already. ठीक है टीवी में सबने देखा होगा वो ज्योतिष आते हैं वो कैसे कार्ड्स पिक करके प्रॉपरली आपके अलाइनमेंट्स के बारे में बताते हैं that your planets are saying this, your planets are saying that. So use such word because you're fortune telling you need to be very creative with the words. Okay, you can't become like okay I can see this is this. Okay, what I said I can see the card says just use these sentences that card says Aditya you will be in love in next few years maybe probably you get a perfect partner for you and maybe you get married with her see so creative right this way you can be a little bit creative with your words okay
Okay, ma'am.
चलो रिपीट करो इसे दोबारा से पूरी एक्टिविटी
Hello, ma'am. I am Aditya, and can you tell about my future? I am very curious about to know it.
Hi, Aditya. The card says in 2055 you will live in moon.
Thank you, ma'am, for telling about my future. Hello, ma'am. I want to know about my future.
Hi, Anand. The card says in 2055 you will in love and you will be married.
Thank you, ma'am, for telling my future.
Okay, I'm taking part on the behalf of Utkarsh. So, hi, ma'am. How are you? I just want to know about my future. Can you please tell me what's in the cards?
Hi, Utkarsh. The card says is in 2035 you will be married and you will slave your wife.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I'll be glad to know about that. I'm so glad to know about this. Thank you. Okay, next fortune teller कौन बनेगा? Anant?
Okay, ma'am. Hello, sir. Can you tell about my future? And my name is Aditya. Hello, Aditya. The card says that you will become a president of UK. Thank you, sir, for telling me like this.
Okay, that's nice. काफी मतलब काफी ज्यादा बच्चों ने वो करा है इम्प्रोवाइज किया है कि यूके का प्रेसिडेंट नाइस ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मी हेलो सर आई एम उत्कर्ष कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट माय फ्यूचर
Hello, Utkarsh. Your future says that you will work as a subway worker.
okay sir thank you for letting me know I will definitely work that way okay next Rutuja
Yes, ma'am. Hi, sir. I'm Rutuja, and I'm very curious. Knowing my future. Please tell me.
Hello, Rutuja. The card says that you will become a principal of your school, but you realize that you are not capable, so you beated yourself.
okay so she
Thank
might
you, sir.
leave the school by time when she realizes she is not capable of that post she will leave that post this is what you meant, right? Okay. So, Rutuja, see, you can be a principal, but you
Yes,
know
ma'am.
your limits. That's nice. Okay, next, Aditya.
Yes.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir. I'm very curious about knowing my future. Please tell me.
Hi Rituja. In your future cards, it is written that you will win a lottery, but when you will go to redeem the lottery ticket, the ticket will flee away, but you will catch it from somewhere.
Thank you, sir.
That means someone will snatch a lottery ticket.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
चलो अभी कौन था आदित्य था अभी फर्स्ट क्वेरेंट was ऋतुजा
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट अनंत
Yes, ma'am. Hello, sir. I am Anand and I want to know about my future. Hello, Anand. In your future cards, it is written that you will first start a business of tea, and after that you will be very successful and will become the second richest person of India.
oh
Thank you, sir, for telling my future.
see Anand going to be the second most powerful businessman in the world in India basically. Okay, my turn. Hello, sir. I just want to know about my future. Can you please tell me what the planetary motion says about me?
Hi Utkarsh, let me read about your future. In your future cards, it is written that you will build up your own spaceship and then afterwards you will become a cricketer.
Okay, thank you, sir. I hope this will work for me.
Yes.
See, so अब इस एक्टिविटी से बेसिकली सबको क्या समझ में आया वी कैन बी मोर क्रिएटिव विद आवरसेल्व्स वी कैन बी क्रिएटिव विद आवर वर्ड्स एंड मेक अदर पीपल हैप्पी राइट सी सबको सुन के अच्छा लगा ना कि ओ नाइस दिस कुड हैपन विद मी इन फ्यूचर राइट दिस इज द मोर क्रिएटिव एक्टिविटी विच वी हैव डन सो सिमिलरली अगर हम इसको मंडे को दोबारा करें विद मोर पीपल जिसलिए कभी हम 3-4 ही थे इफ पॉसिबली मनोज वापस आ जाए एंड उत्कर्ष विल बी देयर वी कैन परफॉर्म इट अगेन सो आई व्हाट आई वांट कि तुम इसको थोड़ा और क्रिएटिव कर सको जस्ट लाइक आई सी आदित्य नंदन में बहुत काफी क्रिएटिव सेंटेंसेस लिखे इवन ऋतुजा रिटन अ वेरी गुड came up with very good ideas. But ये है कि अभी थोड़ा conversation हमारा अच्छा नहीं है एक दूसरे के साथ, right? We are still hesitating between how to interact with each other. I don't want that. I want कि थोड़ा अपने बीच में थोड़ा hesitation कम करो and तो ज़्यादा interact करो, ठीक है? Interactive wise, I want कि conversation should be, smoothly going and everything. So you can work on it. I want कि 2 दिन है, apart from your school work, apart from everything, you if possible 2 से 10 मिनट निकालना and try to work on your conversation skills between each other. Just like Adityanan lives together, they can work that wise, and Rutuja, you can work on your conversation skill with your brother. Okay, घर पे एक दूसरे से इंग्लिश में बात किया करो बेटा. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
let's wrap up the class. Have a nice day, everyone.